What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock, and also I'll take you over QQQ and SPY. Guys, everything is unstoppable right now in the market. Things are skyrocketing. We have, well, QQQ and SPY at all-time highs. Look at this beauty, guys. All-time highs, massive breakout. I'll talk about, is there a possibility of this turning around and a top formation, or this is a fake out? Well, things are not looking like that, and that may not even happen. I'm just saying, if that would happen, usually whatever happens after breakouts of such type, we have to be just keep that in the back of our head. What is the scenario if this becomes a fake out? But this doesn't look like a fake out. This is very strong. We'll talk about that in just a second. Everything QQQ and SPY we'll take a look at closer to the end of the video. But guys, look at the Nvidia, the beauty as what we have been talking about, that this thing has been in an uptrend and this will most likely continue higher and higher. Everything has been working out like that. And when I also talked about, as we recapture 906 and get above 922, this thing is just skyrocketing. After 906, 922 was the next level. We got a breakout above that. We found support. I'll talk about everything in just a second. Before that, I want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. All right, you are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. Okay, I'll also take you over the options data on Nvidia, and I don't think we have much besides already some of the price upgrades that have been coming on Nvidia, and they may come more by the time we are getting close to the earnings. Nvidia has its earnings next week, so it's taking all the semiconductors up with it as well. So check out my video. I did one in the morning as well, so that will tell you quite a lot. All right, so before all of that, guys, I want to show you the performance of my day trading bot on Nvidia. So let's go to the 5 minutes. And you can see great performance, amazing moves. We have been making money on Nvidia. We got, look at this great signal my bot gave into the pullback today. Got a buy signal and boom, 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 profits. And here's the last 30 trades of data as well here, guys, on the table. Looking great. I love it, loving it. And while I have my day trading bot turned on, I'll show you QQQ and SPY as well. Great profits got on QQQ as well, guys. Got the buy after the pullback and boom, boom, boom. Money, 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 ching, ching. And then this is SPY as well. Looking great. Loving it, loving it, loving it, guys. So if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, and Wall Street alerts. I showed you the day trading bot, and actually let me show you, let's go to the Nvidia back again, and let me show you my swing bot as well on Nvidia. I mean, you can apply these on across any given instrument or stock. I'm just being a little bit quick here to show you all of that. Look at the great moves, profitable plays, last 30 swing trades. This is the swing bot, guys. You can see down on the left hand side the the data as well, and then the current buy position, the latest one we got at 911. One partial profit, take profit target has already been given today at 940, and then yeah, rest of the position is still ongoing. Looking great, in the money, awesome, cool. Anyways, as I said, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, let's now quickly jump onto, guys, Nvidia's technicals, and let's go back to the daily interval first and let's talk over there. All right, so guys, very clearly what we have been seeing and what we have been talking about is that Nvidia is in an uptrend. Once it formed this confirmation of the pivot, this rebound came, it formed a pivot here. We have been going higher highs, higher lows. This is what, if you have been seeing my videos, you already know we have been getting all of that. Now, let's go to the 4 hours first. Oh, well, also, I just want to, I mean, I know you saw it, but I just want to surface it again. We are above 20 and 50 days moving average, and we constantly held that level of 883 to 887, the one that I have been saying that Nvidia, yeah, we have taken intraday short plays here, no problem with that. But on the swing, I have been saying that As long as we are above $883 and $887 range, we are still bullish, right? And we got that support constantly holding, and we have been going up. That's where 50 days moving average is also. And we are above 50 and 20 days moving average. Then now let's go to the 4 hours first. And so that a couple of things I can show you. And then guys, you already know we had this pivot line, swing pivot line, these pivot points, and I have been saying, guys, we are above, as long as we're above this pivot line, we are still bullish in the structure. Let's go to the hourly interval now. And we have been above this 200 hours moving average as well, constantly, this green line. And you can see we traded all these intraday shorts here, right? 906 break level down to 887 and so forth. And then, as I have been saying, yes, intraday short, those could be played. We have been playing those, but on the swing, as long as we are not losing $887 and $883 range, we are still in the bullish structure, guys. And I said that if any position needs to be built, and my bot already gave all those positions on the swing I just showed you, right? And if any position needs to be built on any swing or even long, like that has to be around this zone of 887 and 883 with the stop loss on the other side. And now this is the time to take partial profits. I showed you my swing bot already gave the size out position, one partial profit position up here, right? You can rewind the video and see it, but that's how we do it. You have to buy at the right place, and this is the time in the extensions to start taking out the profits. Junior trader, does it mean this is not the time to buy? Well, that's your decision and choice. What I'm going to talk about is the structure here and the price action. So guys, we are still full on bullish. In the post market, we are at on Nvidia 951. Nvidia, if tomorrow it cools off, I mean, guys, 940 is just a pullback zone. Anything in up to back to 220 hours moving average is just a pullback, and this thing is still bullish. Right now, I'm not seeing any bearish structure on the swing. There's no, I mean, I would be kidding if I say, oh guys, there's a bearish structure. No, there's no bearish structure. And you can see even once we broke out of this 922, I mean, it's very apparent on the 5 minutes interval. I mean, that's why these levels trading are so important, that my indicators also mark automatically. So yeah, here we go. 922, we broke above that. You can see any sell-off that we got was bought back up, right? This is one of my indicators that does that. As I said, I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, and Wall Street alerts. If you need access, links are in the description below of this video. And constantly held support, boom, to the upside, to the moon, right? Guys, yeah, we are not far away from 975 all-time highs, and I won't be surprised if that happens. I won't be surprised if we go to all-time highs on Nvidia and go above $1,000 or whatever. Price action is in that direction. Nvidia has a lot of room for the bulls. Now, the new swing, I mean, support is 922 on the structure. As long as Nvidia is not falling below 922, any pullback on this at the swing level is just bullish. As I said, take profits in the extensions little by little, and then if pullback comes, level holds, structure holds with the price action, consolidations, wicks forming, all of that I have shown you, that's just a pullback, and then that results in the continuation to the upside. And it's all about managing the positions once you have, got in the right position that my bot already provides, right? I use those as a reference for my trading, everything. And it's for you also available if you need access, links in the description below. So now, yeah, so 940 is a good support zone on this right now. 20 hours moving average is a good support. Even 922 is a good support as well. Full on bullish, no kidding, to the moon. That's it. All right. Okie dokie, guys, that's Nvidia's as in the price action. Let's go over the options data, and then I'll go over QQ and SPY as well with you guys. So Nvidia, black is the today's closing price, green are the calls, red are the puts, bright green are the today's call, dark green are the previous day's calls, bright red is the puts today's, and dark red are the previous day's puts. So what am I seeing? Well, 950 calls were high already, and I think that's pretty much we are above that in the post market already. $1,000 calls are increasing as well. So that's where money is being bet as well. 900, these are already in the money. $900 calls, $920 calls. Yeah, they are already in the money. So what I'm seeing across the board is everything plus 900 has been mostly just the calls. There are puts are insignificant, right? I mean, we are seeing calls at 850 as well, but am I seeing puts high up here above the price? No. So this is purely dominated by calls, options, the sentiment right now on Nvidia. We do have increase in puts at $800. I have no clue for what reason for the expiration of this week. Those puts are cooked. I have no clue why today more $800 puts have increased. There's no price structure in that direction. Nothing. Only 2 days left for the market for this week to close. $800, I don't think that's going to happen. That's cooked. Puts are cooked over there. And yeah, this is, guys, purely dominated by the calls options traders there. All right. Now, that's Nvidia's data. Again, options data doesn't tell you where the price is going to go. Technical analysis is what gives you the probability, likelihood, and everything as what we do here, where the price is mostly likely to go, right? So that's that for the price action on Nvidia and the options data I just wanted to show you. Let's take a look at QQQ and SPY. And so let's go to the daily interval. Guys, I'm not going to repeat myself. You already know I have been calling out that, it's just being bullish. I said that if this pivot holds here, this time this was most likely going to go above this blue box zone, 432 to 434. We had this pivot. That was the buying time. This is the time to take partial profits out. I mean, intraday, sure, trading. I showed you my day trading bot that does all of that. And even the swing bot, that's all in the money. Not gonna plug and show you here. If you have access to my tools, you already know, right? I mean, yeah. So all-time highs, pure bullish. There is no bearish structure on this. Now though, now we are at the all-time highs, right? If this, again, this is not a fake out again, but every next day I do want to be always careful. If we see a red candle tomorrow and we close below 448, that will mark this as a fake out. But the way it has, fake outs usually don't happen like this. This is more looking like to me a parabolic breakout. All right, this is a parabolic breakout. If it has to be a fake out breakout, they are mostly like this. They don't go like slowly and boom. They usually come up, right? They don't have any of these tiny candles with it. They come up, and the boom. They just go barely up and then they get sold off. They get barely little up, right? Like this, barely little up, and then they get sold off. But no, this is, at least for now, no, it's not looking to me a fake out. This is it is a pullback strength, slowly and boom. This is a very strong breakout in my opinion, with a strong volume as well recently, I mean, right? So yeah, QQ is full on bullish. I mean, at all-time highs, guys, I would just suggest that trade with any pullback. You watch the 20 hours moving average and pull back into it. All those things needs to be watched properly. Like price action, you still have to trade level by level. But yeah, if it wants, yeah, it can just continue higher and higher. That's QQQ. And SPY, guys, similarly, I have been saying that we have been just being bullish. We got this pivot over here. I have been saying about this. And we have been since then just bullish. All-time highs, just really like QQQ. I don't think this is a fake out breakout, at least what it says in the price action right now. But again, regardless, have a stop loss. If we lose 524, that's over. But yeah, right now structure is still looking bullish. This is a good support as well now, 524, and pullbacks can just keep going up and up. There might be not even a pullback, who knows, right? Straight with the levels, guys. And the price action, once we're at the all-time highs, it's just more about trading intraday, and then from there, if a swing can be built, that's fine. But the time to build swing was right over here when I was saying this is the time to take partial profits now, right? And carry the remaining position, manage the position, and that's all, right? Okay, guys, well, that's all for this video. And also, if you are interested in following along the journey of my another channel where I'm building my dividend portfolio. I have been making some moves here, buying a couple of things. Follow along. This channel link you will find also in the description of this video. Subscribe to it. And guys, with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.